Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today, Hub Group Incorporated just filed an 8K, and I am seeing a serious warning sign for their stock. Quick note, this is not financial advice, just my take on public filings for educational purposes. The company received a notice that could put their stock listing at risk, and it all comes down to delayed financial reports. Alright, let's break down what is happening here with Hub Group Incorporated, a company that works in integrated freight and logistics. They have a market cap of about $2.5 billion and are listed on the Nasdaq under the ticker HUBG. So, on the 20th of August 2026, Hub Group got a notification from the Nasdaq stock market. This notice is about them not following the rules for listing their stock. Essentially, the Nasdaq is saying Hub Group is not in compliance because they have not filed their required financial reports on time. Specifically, they missed the deadline for their quarterly report for the period ending the 30th of June 2026. This is a big deal because Nasdaq requires companies to file these reports regularly to make sure investors have up-to-date information. This isn't the first time they've had trouble. They also missed filing their previous quarterly report for the period ending the 31st of March 2026. Nasdaq gave them a grace period which was supposed to end on the 14th of September 2026 for them to file their overdue annual report for 2025 and that first quarter report. Now, with this new late filing, Nasdaq has given Hub Group until the 27th of August 2026 to come up with a new plan to fix this. If they get more time, it will be limited to a total of 180 days from the original deadline of their 2025 annual report. That means they have until the 14th of September 2026. To get all these delayed filings submitted. The good news, if you can call it that, is that this notice doesn't mean their stock will be delisted right away. Their shares are still trading on the Nasdaq for now. To let everyone know, Hub Group also put out a press release on the 24th of August 2026 about this notice from Nasdaq. This press release is part of the filing. This press release is included as Exhibit 99.1 to this report. The company is also including a standard warning about forward-looking statements. These are statements about their future expectations and plans. They're basically saying that things might not turn out as they expect because of various risks, like their ability to finish redoing their financial statements and any other potential delays in their financial reporting. Now, looking at this situation, it is a classic case of a company struggling with its financial reporting. This often happens when there are underlying issues with the company's financial accuracy or internal controls. When a company can't get its financials out on time, it raises serious questions for investors about the health of the business and the reliability of the information they are receiving. Think about companies like Radio Shack or Sears, which had multiple periods of financial difficulty and delays leading up to their eventual struggles. While not a direct comparison, the pattern of delayed filings is a significant red flag. It can lead to a loss of investor confidence, which often results in a stock price decline. For example, when Kodak faced similar reporting issues, its stock saw a significant drop. The core problem here is the failure to file required reports. This directly impacts the company's ability to remain listed on a major exchange like Nasdaq. The company has a limited window to correct this. The fact that they are already past one grace period and now facing another notice suggests that the underlying issues causing these delays are significant. The company states they plan to submit an updated plan, but the clock is ticking. What I am actually looking for is clear evidence that Hub Group can not only catch up on its filings, but also resolve the root cause of these delays. Without that, the risk of delisting, or at the very least, a continued loss of investor trust and stock value remains very high. Oh, and the research tools I actually use are linked in the description. They help keep this channel going. That is my take. Stay decoded. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps, and subscribe for more deep dives. Don't forget to check out the Discord in the description.